Hey, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, Ravi.
Hey, welcome back, Pushpendra. Welcome back.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Yes. Mayank, Subhash, Rahul Raj, Dinesh. Good afternoon, everybody. Now everything is fine. Now screen is visible.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, all the things are going on.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss, spring scheduling. This is the small module. Tomorrow we will start what? Spring JD BC, and tomorrow will be long session, and we will complete spring JD BC. And next weekend onward, spring data JPA will be there, right? Come on, everybody. Nagashri, good afternoon, Ayodele. Good morning.
Uh,
Bye.
yeah, good afternoon, Ravikant.
Yeah, thank you. Sir. And Alok, good afternoon, everybody. Okay, so let's begin our session today. So, okay, and whoever new in the session, guys, okay, na? Just I'm sharing the like what our group link to you people, okay? Just join it because from here onward, all video will be private only. Only those people can access who will join the sessions, guys, okay? See, no need to what give those people who don't have everywhere laziness is not good, friends, okay na. Somewhere we have need to what put effort, then we can achieve anything in the life, okay. So see boss, in the some people are there in the session also, like what is that Pushpendra, he is suffering with what is the corona, and he is they are in the too much critical like what situation, but still he was joined even in the hospital. From the hospital also he was joined our sessions. I scolded him, okay, don't, no need to join it, okay, I will there with you, okay, if the person will show seriousness, right? If the Malyadari,
But Ravi, now I'm fine. I can join the session from now.
yeah, now he is fine now, and he is today he's joined the sessions. So dedication is more important in the life, friend, to achieving anything, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay, so what is that? Executing task based on what? Based on period of time, right? Period of time and what? Period of time and what? Point of time. Period of time and what? Point of time, right? Point of time. Okay, so what is the period of time and what is the point of time? I will tell, guys, okay, I will tell, guys. So in a loop, right? In a loop condition, like what is that? In a loop means, just I'm giving some examples to you people, guys. Just I'm giving what is that, some examples to you people. Just what is that, analyze those things, okay? Just analyze those things. So okay, so bank statement, right? Bank statement, what is that? Bank statement, every what is that, month we are getting, what is that? We are getting what is that? Bank statement, right? Bank statement. Okay, so bank statement, what is that? Auto generated email, no reply required, right? Like that, we are getting the email or not, guys? Come on. Today our discussion is like that, okay na. You people also involved in the session, right? You people also involved in the session, guys, okay. So because like all those things is like discussion only. Today our session is like a discuss, we can something, just I will give the analysis to you people, and you people analyze it and give the answer, like that our discussion is there, interactive discussion is there today, right? So okay, So what is that? We know that, right? What is that? Bank statement, right? Bank, what is that? Bank account statement. Bank account statement, right? Every month, what is that? Every month we are getting what? Every month we are getting auto, what is that? Auto generated email, right? On the our email no reply with what is that? What is the message description? Email description is there, no reply required, right? Like this if we are writing in our application, means our project, if we need, right, if we need like this programming approach to write it in our application, right? In our application, if we need to write like this approach, then at the time what we will use now, guys, is spring scheduling, right? Is spring scheduling. Just analyze it, just give one or two examples, like where except that bank statement, right? Just think about the bank statement, every month no reply with kind of messages we are getting, right? So those messages, who will, where we are applying, where we are writing the logic in what? Scheduling concept. Using what is that? Scheduling concept, we are applying those things, okay? Now we are applying those things, okay? So okay, guys, so analyze other way also, somewhere where we can apply these things, like if just to give examples, I want examples from you people also, right? Just I'm thinking about that, where you can apply it, right? Just use the chat box, guys. Just use, no problem. Wrong answer also correct only, because we are learner, right? We are learner. First time no one can become expert, yeah, okay? In a first time no one can become what? Expert. So okay, so anniversary greeting, yes, birthday also, okay. Company mail, no, Suraj, company mail is not company. Like payslip is good. Attendance means why Malayadari? Uh, update. Yeah. Okay, guys. Birthday bill, bill is correct only. Bill every month bill, that one also correct. Yeah, उसमें the remainder also correct. Correct remainder also. Yeah, correct. Exactly. Very good. Ayodele, very good. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, correct. Okay. Like what is that? In the bank only, guys. Bank only. What is that? Credit card billing and invoice is there, right? Credit card what? Billing invoice also there. Okay. There also. If we develop like CCC credit card. What is that? Billing invoice. Billing invoice, right? Another one is what? Report. If we want to generate, what is that? Report, right? Sometimes if like what is that? If like what is that? If you visit somewhere, right? If you visit somewhere and if you given the somewhere, what is that? Your email, right? Automatically every month you are getting some email. We are giving what? That much discount, this much discount, those much discount, right? By default that email are not sending anyone, right? That email is what is that? Generating our application only, guys, okay? Those, what is that? Reports, what is that? Generating report generation, right? After then who is the working employee, right? Whoever working employee is there, those people know very well, right? Those people know very well. we are getting every month what is that salary, right? Salary. After then what will happen now? After then what will happen now, guys? Pay slip, right? Pay slip, salary slip processing, right? Pay slip, your salary. What is that? Pay slip is released now. Like that, we are getting the email or not, guys? So like that, like that. Okay, if we want to write like that logic, pay slip, right? Pay slip. What is that? These kind of, okay, these kind of operation, if we want to perform, right? If we want to perform, yeah, times if remember, yeah, okay, these kind of operation if we want to perform, then we will select what is that scheduling concept. And in Spring Boot also these things is there, right? These things is there. Okay, so let's understand what is that period of time and what is that point of time. Okay, okay, let's understand what is the period of time and what is that point of time, guys. Okay, so period of time means what? Period of time means what? Like just I'm giving what is that? January, 1st January only, right? 1st January, 1st Jan, after then 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. I'm giving, right? And 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. I'm giving the time means what is that? In the first January, 9 a.m. means what is that? This is what is that, guys? This is what? Period of time, right? In this period of time, what is that? You have need to execute the logic. Okay, whatever logic, if CCC billing invoice report generator app, payslip, what is that? Payslip processing, anything is there in this time, right? In the first January 9 a.m. First January what? 9 a.m. What is that? That logic will execute. And what is that? Whoever our customer is there, right? Whoever our customer is there, that customer will get what is that? That email, right? That must, what is that? I'm very sorry, yeah. What I'm saying, this is not a period of time, point of time. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, point of time, right? Point of time, exact that point of time means what is that? It's pointing one day, right? It's pointing what is that? One day. After then what is that? The one day and at the same time, right? Time means 9 a.m. means exact that day and that time our logic will execute. And whatever logic, based on that logic, whatever operation will be there, that operation will be perform our application now. Okay, so this is called what is that? Period of, sorry, point of time, right? This is called what? Point of time means what is that? Point of time means what, guys? Exact date, exact date, and what is that? Time, right? Exact date and time is called what is that? Point of time. Okay, so now what is that? Next one is what? Period of time. What is the period of time now, guys? What is the period of time now? No, total Pushpendra, if we are pointing what is that? If we are pointing what is that? In a particular time, that is called what is that? Exact date and time, right? Now, okay, guys. Okay, so second one, what is that? Period of time. What is the period of time now? Time gap, right? Time gap. Okay, that is called what is that? Period of time, right? That is called what? Period of time. Now, okay, guys, what is that? Like just what we are giving now, 4 hours, right? 4 hours. Okay, if any task will execute after 4 hours, application running every 4 hours, that is called what? Period of time. Like 6 minute, right? 6 minutes. If we are giving what is that? 6 minute. Okay, 6 minutes after means HRS, 4 hours, 6 minutes. After then what is that? Five, what is that? 5 months. Okay, months. If we are like that, if we are giving, right, in this time, right, this is called what is that? In this period of time is this between this month, right? In this month, in this hour, in this what? In this minute, this logic will be execute, right? This logic will be execute. Here what we are doing now, we are not pointing what is that? Any date. We are not pointing any date, exact date, right? Exact date we are not pointing. But what is that? In the point of time, what is that? In the point of time, what we are doing? 1st January, we are giving the date as well as what? Time. That is called what? Point of time. If we are giving what is that? times, right? Times means in between in this month, right? In this month, ending of this month, or in this time, right? If the logic will execute, that is called what is that period of time, guys. Okay. So now, okay. So how we can perform this operation? How many way we can perform the operation, right? How many way we can perform this operation? Now let's see that. Okay. So whenever we will write the spring scheduling, spring boot scheduling, we have need to write what? We have need to write what? Huh. First we have need to activate what is that spring scheduling, right? At the rate what? We have need to activate what is that spring scheduling. Where we will activate it now? Where we will activate it now? In the main class, starter class, right? We will add what is that at the rate enable what is that scheduling. This annotation will work like what is that switch. We know that, right? Off on, right? If we want to activate what is that in our application, what in our application is spring scheduling, then we have need to apply this annotation in what main class, right? Main means what is the main means what is that spring boot starter class. If we apply on this starter class, right, then what will happen now? Our application will execute, right? Our application will what execute it, right? But wherever we will write the logic, right? Wherever we will write the logic on the top of method, one more annotation we will apply. What annotation we will apply now, guys? At the rate scheduled, right? At the rate scheduled annotation, in which method, right? In which method we will write that logic, right? To that logic on the top of that method we will apply on the top of what is that at the rate scheduled method, scheduled annotation. And this scheduled annotation is the argumented what is that? This scheduled annotation is what? Argumented annotation, right? In this possible value is there, right? Possible value is there. What is that, guys? How we can fix it? How we can fix it? Period of time and point of time, right? Okay. So scheduling using how we can apply in first way. First way is there what? First way is there what? First way fixed delay, right? Fixed delay. And another one is what? Another one is what? Another one is what? Fixed rate. Fixed delay and what? Fixed rate. And what is that last one? Last three. Third one. C is the what? Cron expression. Using what is that? Using what? Cron expression, right? Using what is that? Cron expression we can apply. What is that? But you know, in the industry, this one is not usable for, but whenever you will face the interview, right? At the time, the people will ask, guys, okay? At the time, people will ask, because of that I'm explaining, okay? We will much concentrate about on what? Cron expression, okay? We will much concentrate about what? Cron expression only, right? This one is a useful, and even in the what is that? Whenever we are writing the logic, we are using what is that? Cron expression. And the who know that what is that? Linux, Unix. Those people know that what is the cron expression. Okay. I hope anyone know that like a Unix operating system, Linux operating system. They may listen, right? Okay. So but what we can do now? What we can do now? We will see that, just we will see that we will not deep dive much about what is that fixed delay and a fixed rate. We will spend much time about that cron expression only. But if you know that, right, in interview they will ask what is the difference between what is that fixed delay and what is that fixed rate, right? What is the difference between what is that fixed delay and what is that fixed rate? Okay. So because of that I will explain it, guys. Okay. Because of that, what I will explain it, right? So now let's what I'm going to do now. What I'm going to do now. Okay. So I'm going to create one normal application, right? I'm going to create what? Normal application. Nothing we have need to select it. Okay. Just this is the looping concept is there, right? So now new, what we will do now? Select Spring Starter project, right? Select what? Spring Starter project. Now fine, guys. So here what we will do now? Here, okay, this is our application now. Now let's create the application. Nothing, we don't have need anything, right? Next, just finish it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, fine now, guys. So I told you, right? This is what is that main starter class, right? So main starter class is there. Okay, fine now. Just I'm opening this class. Any application, guys, standalone or web application, anywhere we can apply. What is that scheduling? Just this is the what is that testing purpose, right? We are taking standalone application. Here what will happen now? We can able to see the result on what console. But what is that in the web application? We will write one class and we will activate because in Spring Boot, right? In the web application also this main class will be there. This what is that Spring Starter class will be there. So just now what I told now, just now what I told now, we will apply on the main starter class. Which annotation we will apply now, guys? Which annotation we will apply on the top of what? On the top of what? Enable scheduling. Enable scheduling in the main class now. Okay, now at the rate, what is that? Enable scheduling, right? Yeah. This annotation will work like what is that? Switch, we know that, right? Off on. If you want to off what is the scheduling concept, right? Just what you will do now, just comment it. If you want to activate in your project, what is that Spring scheduling? Just uncomment it, right? So now fine now, guys, let's write one class, right? Let's write what? One class. I'm writing one class now. Okay, right click. Just think about a report generator. I'm taking what is that? EMP, what is that? A report. EMP report service. Now finish it. Okay, fine now. So if we don't want to configure this class, which annotation we will apply on the top of what is that this class to create the object, guys? At the rate what? Component, right? At the rate what? Component. We will apply on the top of this annotation, right? Now fine. Okay. So after then, what is that? How main method, right? So how we are writing the main method, guys? Okay, just I'm writing that. Okay. So public, what is that? Public. But what is that main method is what is that parameterized type, right? Parameterized type. Okay. What is that? Main method is what? parameterized type method, right? So, but what is that return type? Why we are taking the return type? Because this method is what callback method, right? Who is the calling? JVM is calling now, right? JVM is calling. So if we return type, if we take any return type here, right? So any use for this return type to JVM? No, na. So same like that is what is that internally which thread is working to call this method, guys? Daemon thread, right? Daemon thread. We know that daemon thread internally working in what? In the in what to what is the manage what is that outsider things, okay? Outsider things like what is that whatever we are writing the logic. Just a good example is what? Garbage collector. Garbage collector is there, right? That is also what? One daemon only, right? Daemon thread, right? So fine, same like here. What will happen now? Here we will write one method, right? Public void, right? Void, because this method will call by whom? Container no need any return type, guys, okay? Container no need what? Any return type. Now just I'm writing that method execute report, right? And what is that? There is no argument, right? Because JVM, or sorry, container Spring container will not call by what? Any what is that argument? So like this, okay? Non argument, and what is that? Non return type, right? Non return type we will take what is that? We can say this is the callback method, because this method will call by whom? Container only. So after then what we will do now, guys? Just I'm writing what is the sysout means system. Just think about that. I'm writing what is that logic inside it. Okay. Just report data, right? Okay, so now I told, right, on the top of method what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Come here, right? I already scheduled annotation, but this is the argumented annotation. In the argumented annotation, how many way we can pass the argument? Fixed delay, fixed rate, and cron, right? Just I will show the error first. I will show the error. I will apply on the top of this method what is that? Scheduled annotation, right? I'm applying the on the top of what is that? Scheduled annotation now. Okay, fine. Now if I run that this without what is that? Without timing, right? Without argument, right? Without what is that argument, then we will get what? Error. Now I'm activating the container. Now I'm running the application now, guys. Run the Spring Boot. We will not get any result. We will get what is that? Error. See this? Yeah, we are getting the error or not? Come on. So now, okay. So what is that? This annotation is asking what is that? Please, hey, developer, please give me the time, right? Time, and the based on that time only, I will apply what is that? I will run this application in the loop, right? Loop. So what I will do now? So it will take what is that input in the millisecond only. What is that? Scheduled annotation is taking the input in the millisecond. I will tell how we will convert the milliseconds, right? How we will convert the millisecond and all those things. Okay, now how we will convert the day in the millisecond, minute in the millisecond. Just one API is there. Based on that API, we will calculate it, guys. Now, so but let's see that. So come here. What is the fixed delay rate? Let's first one is only what is that fixed delay only, right? What is that fixed delay, right? I'm taking what? Fixed delay. Inside that fixed delay, I'm taking 5,000. What is that? Millisecond means what? 5 seconds, right? 5,000 millisecond means what, guys? 5 seconds, right? 5 seconds only, na? Come on. Use the chat box. 5 milliseconds are equal to what? Yes. Okay. So now let's run the application and we will see that, okay, every 5 seconds, right? Every 5 second, what is that? this method will execute until unless if we not stop our application. Until unless what? Until unless if we not stop our application, right? This what is that? This method will call by whom? Call by whom? Our container. Means what is that? Whatever logic we will write, right? By default, that logic will execute what is that? Continuously. Continuously. Until unless if we not stop our application. And you know, in the real time, what is our web application, Facebook application, whenever we are making the request, right? At that time we can able to log in our Facebook application or not, guys? Come on. So same like in the real world, right? Real world application is running 24 hours, not what is that how we are testing here, right? Just 1 or 2 hours. Our in the real world, what is that? Our application running by 24 by 7 or not? Come on, guys. So yes. So now same like let's run the application every 5 seconds. What is that? Every 5 seconds, what will happen now? Our application will run, right? Our application will run. Okay, so we will see that what is the time gap also, right? Time gap also. Okay, so observe the report data, right? The report data. Now I'm not doing anything. Again, what is that report data? Again, after 5 seconds, report data like this. Okay, what's happening now here? Report data it will until unless if we not what is that? Destroy this console. How we can stop it now? See this here, red symbol is there. If you leave like this, okay, until unless if your system will not stop, right? This application will run. Okay, this application will run in the what is that? Continuous format, right? In the loop format. This is looping. See that how our loop is running. Same like if the application is running or not, guys? Come on. So okay, so now fine. Now so I'm stopping now. You want to see that? Okay, a 5 second gap is there or not? Okay, I will show that. Okay, what we will now, I'm stopping the console. I stop it now. Our application is destroyed now. Okay, let's see that. Okay, come inside that. What is that? Again, come in the application, right? Just I'm taking what here? Just I'm taking what here, guys? Plus date, right? Plus what is that? Date. Okay, so now fine. Okay, let's run the application, right? Let's again run the application. See the first time report data Saturday, right? At 15 after, then what is that? 20. See that again report generated, right? Again what is 20 after, then what is that? 25, right? 25 in means 5 seconds. It's what is that? Gap is what? 5 seconds. 5 seconds like this only, right? 5 seconds again. 35. It's what is that? See 40. Okay, like this, what is that? Our application will run what is that? Continuously. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so I told, right, and this annotation will work. What is that? Switch. If we comment it, right, if we comment this annotation, right, if we comment this annotation, what will happen now? Our application will not run. Now let's run this application. Our application will run, but we can't get any result. We can't get what? Any result. Now let's see this. See this, our console also terminated by default. See, there is no red symbol to stop our console, right? So same like, guys. Okay, so this annotation will work. And what is that? To activate what? Activate in our project. What is the schedule, right? To activate what is that? Scheduling concept. So what we will do now? We have need to apply on the main class, right? A starter class. What is that? Enable scheduled. Enable scheduled. And another one is what we will do now? we will take what is that iterative scheduled configure fixed delay and a fixed date, right? Fixed delay and same like what I'm going to do now, guys. What I'm going to do now. Okay, so what we will do now? Let's understand based on the timeline, right? Let's understand. But first, what we will do now? Let's do one more things, okay? So how we can apply, right? How we can convert what is that this millisecond. We know that 500, what is that 500 milliseconds, right? 5,000 equal to what is that 5 seconds. 5,000 millisecond equal to what 5 second, right? 5 seconds. So okay, this is okay. I want to convert, but okay, Ravikant, you are talking about this is the small things. We can able to convert it, right? We can